Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Arifah Putri and today I will explain you about English school theory and feminism theory in international relations. Now, what is international relations? International relations or AR are the interactions among sovereign states. The scientific study of those interactions is also referred to as international studies, international politics, or international affairs. Now, here is the research question that I will explain you in this video. The first one, I will explain you about English school theory in international relations. Number two, I will explain you about feminism theory in international relations. And number three, for the last, I will make a comparison between English school theory and feminism theory in international relations. Now, the first one, I will explain you about English school theory. The English School of International Relations Theory is also known as the International Society approach or the British institutionalists focus on the idea of international society as a distinct entity. It emerged as a response to both realism and liberalism, emphasizing the importance of norms, institutions, and values in shaping international relations. These are the key concepts of English school theory. Number one, international society. This refers to a society of states where common interests and norms play a significant role in shaping behavior and interactions among states. Number two, primary institutions. These are institutions like diplomacy, international law, and international organizations that contribute to the maintenance of international order and cooperation. Number three, normative framework. The English school emphasized the importance of shared norms and values among states, such as sovereignty, territorial integrity, and human rights, which contribute to the stability of international relations. Now, I will explain you about feminism theory. Feminism theory in international relations focus on understanding and analyzing global politics through a gender lens. It challenges traditional AR theories, which often neglect gender dynamics and experiences of women in global affairs. These are key concepts of feminism theory. Number one, gender as a social construct. Feminist AR theorists argue that gender is a sociality construct category that shapes power relations both within and between states. They critique the traditional notion of gender-blind international relations. Number two, patriarchy and power. Feminist AR emphasize how patriarchy as a system of power relations between men and women influences international politics. It examines how patriarchal norms and practical manifest in global institutions, policies, and interactions. Number three, representative and voice. Feminist AR critiques the marginalization of women's voice and perspective in global decision-making process. It seeks to amplify women's roles as actors, not just victims, in shaping international politics. Now, the comparison between English school theory and feminism theory in international relations. Number one, focus on analysis. English school theory focus on the concept of international society, norms, institutions, and the historical development of order among states. While feminist theory focused on gender dynamics, patriarchy, and how gender roles and identities influence global politics and international relations. Number two, key concept. English school theory is emphasize international society, primary and secondary institutions, norms, and the balance of power among states. While feminism theory is emphasized gender as a social construct, intersectionality, representation, violence against women, and the gender dimension of security and governance. Last one, policy implication. English school theory supports the development and strengthening of international institutions, norms, and diplomacy to manage global affairs, while feminist theory advocates for policies that promote gender equality, challenge gender-based violence, and include diverse voices in decision-making process at the global level. Alright, that's all for me. I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you.